Trying to get past Google verification without the previous password? Don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest method I've found using a tool called FoneLab Android Unlocker. Now, you might be wondering, what is FoneLab Android Unlocker? Let me break it down for you. Simply put, it's powerful desktop software designed specifically to solve exactly this kind of problem. Think of it as a master key for your Android lock screen. Here's why it's the perfect solution for this job. It's built to remove various locks, including this pesky Google Factory Reset Protection FRP, screen locks, and even PIN codes. The best part? You don't need to be a tech expert. The interface is super straightforward with big, clear buttons. It literally guides you through the entire process. It supports a vast range of Android brands like Samsung, LG, Huawei, Xiaomi, and more. So, chances are, it works for your phone. In short, if you have a software-related lock on your Android, this tool is your go-to fix. And I'm about to show you just how simple it is to use. Convinced? Awesome! Let's jump into the simple steps to get your phone back. Step 1. Download and install. Head over to the FoneLab website, download and install the FoneLab Android Unlocker software on your computer. Step 2. Select the FRP mode. Launch the program. On the main menu, look for and click on the option that says Bypass Google FRP Lock. Step 3. Choose the brand of your device. There are different brands available. Choose one for your device. Step 4. Connect your phone. Now, grab your locked Android phone. Use a USB cable to connect it to your computer. Make sure you have USB debugging enabled, but if you don't, the software will give you on-screen instructions to help you do it. Step 5. Begin the bypass. Once your phone is recognized, hit the Bypass Now button. Step 6. Follow the instructions. You will be asked to follow the on-screen steps to complete the process. And that's literally it. In a few minutes, your phone will restart, and that pesky Google verification will be gone. You can now set it up as new. If this worked for you, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech fixes. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.